Okay, so we just go to the text layer and we go to apply animation preset. And then we have so many different options for presets that we can use. Okay, let's do the retro again, see what happens. So automatically, and then if we check it out, we can see we can always, we can always make some adjustments to this text as well, right here. And we can delete it if we wanted to, no problem. We can select it, delete it, or we can just do Control Z. Now, if I say, oh, I want to try something else, I can do apply recent animated presets, or let's see something else. Let's do the flower bloom. I can change it again and I can go back and do the bubble pulse. And then we can also tweak certain things, like with this effect. I'll start opening this up. We can make it our own. We can change certain things to it if we wanted to. We can reset after we made some changes. And if we wanted to still like have this move across, we can. So I can have this start here and I can have this move across if I wanted to. Okay. And then we can even make some adjustments too, like to that effect as well. I can make it a little bit, faster. Or I can say, oh no, I don't like that. I'm gonna go back to 0. And I can go really slow if I wanted to. Okay. Any questions so far?
How do you increase the size without having it move?
Mean like the size of the text?
Yeah. Because
Okay.
every time I do it, it changes its place.
Hold on 1 second. Right, you can change anytime the character. You can change the size right here if you wanted to. So say for instance here, with this particular text, it's selected. So I can change, make it smaller. I can make it larger. I can change the color if I wanted to. Give me a color.
Red.
And I can say, oh, I want this to move a little bit faster. Okay. And then I can even animate this. If this has a stopwatch too, the slider. And I could have the pulse change depending on what part of the timeline I'm in. Okay. There's all of these things that you can kind of play with. You can play with the fill, the stroke of that text if you wanted to. You can do the scale, but I think it's better to do it over here. Anyone else want to share their classwork? Everyone's quiet. You make me a little nervous. Okay, so we talked about shapes and the light. I'm going to add another shape layer. And I'm going to do, let's see what the multiply looks like. Go back up. And okay. Let's see about here. I'm going to change the shape to here. All right. Any other questions for you guys? So what I'm gonna do,